Welcome back to my studio. I'm Yvette Mecca. Let's go. Welcome back to the studio, my loves. Obviously, you're here because you want to know who's going to win the journal, right? Let's bring that baby out. You nosy self, you. The Whimsical Woodland Journal, handmade journal that I made using the kit from Be Happy Stationery, the design team that I am a part of. All right, already. Yes. But before we dive into that, let me, do some housework here. I'm in my studio. I have a new setup. I have a new camera in front of me and one off to the side for down angles. I also have my laptop in front of me that will be pulling up the wheel to spin. So I'm pretty new to this setup, and I also want to welcome you to June 1st. Welcome. Big things going on. Like before with our last giveaway, we're going to do a little chatting, talk about our community and what's going on for DC Art Doll Studio. As you all know, or you may not know, I am the face behind DC Art Doll. I am Yvette Mecca. And with that being said, I would like to thank all of my 203, baby. Woo! Pew, pew. We are at 203 subscribers. Who would have thought? Huh? Who would have thunk? Not I. Yeah, we are here. With that being said, I will definitely have to give you something. You know I'm going to love on you. I will be posting an official video to thank you all sometime this week, so look out for it. You know I post on Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. In between, if something is going on, you definitely will get not definitely, let me stop that. I definitely try to push out shorts in between those days on weekends or Tuesday and Thursday. I had my little cheat sheet. Got my little cheat sheet. Make sure I stay on track. So that's going on this week. Our 200 subs thank you video, that's going out this week. You know, I just finished up the Cat in the Hat journal behind me. If you were following along with the Junk Journal Madness that I participated, shout out to Susan over at I Totally Love It. Thank you again for allowing me to participate and collaborate with you for that project. That was May. Now that we are here in June, we have another giveaway. And I want to switch cameras so that we can spin around and see exactly who will be receiving this handmade journal. All right, we are switched over to the laptop. I'm trying to make sure the glare is not there. And I am going to get this spinning action going. All right, you ready? There we go. And our winner is... Our winner is the fabulous Chaos But Cute Cree from Cree Rama. I have your information, my darling, and I will be sending you your journal. So while we are still in this view, my loves, would you like to see what I have been working on for this month of June. Well, I'm not going to say the month of June. I've been working on it, and it's actually for the month of July. Let me grab that. My born day is coming up in July, and I was born on the 4th of July, to be exact, bicentennial year, which is coming back full circle this year. So I'm kind of a big deal. A couple of the ladies in the Facebook group, Junk Journal Divas, and I are going to be doing a dun, da, 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 a sisterhood of the traveling journal. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of what I am working on. So look for that to come back around. This week I will be showing you the working on the cover. I'll show you what I'm doing as far as the cover, because this is actually the inside. Okay. All right. With that said, I want you to go and be great and create. You ain't got nothing else to do. Well, this was fun. I surely enjoyed you all, and I hope you had fun as well. Thank you all for participating. For more information about what's coming up next, come on over to our community corner. Enjoying my content? Well, come join our creative tribe. Subscribe, like, and share. I don't mind at all. Thank you.